Okay, good day class. This is Ma'am Honorio. Today we're going to divide fractions. So let's start with fraction by dividing fraction by a fraction. So we're going to use the KCF method. So keep, change, and then flip. So let's start with keep. Keep the first fraction. So 1/2, copyin lang natin, 1/2 pa din. And then change the operation. So division will become multiplication. So we're going to multiply. And then flip 5, 6. Okay? So it will become 6/5. So what are the steps in multiplying fractions? Multiply the top by top and then multiply the bottom by bottom. So 1 times 6 is 6. And then 2 times 5 is 10. Okay? So, simplify. So, the last steps in multiplying fraction is to simplify. So, both of them are divisible by 2. Okay. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, our final answer is 3/5. Okay, next problem is whole number by a fraction. So, the first step that you're going to do is to change the whole number into fraction. Remember that the whole number, its denominator is always equals to 1. So, 3 will become 3/1. Okay. Then apply the KCF method. Okay, so keep and then change the operation will become multiplication times and then flip. So 4/7 will become 7/4. Then multiply again, top to top, bottom to bottom. So 3 times 7 is 21. And then 1 times 4 is 4. Okay. So our answer is improper fraction. So we need to simplify it. If it is improper fraction, we need to divide. So 21 divided by 4. So in dividing numbers, we need to do the following steps. So D, M, S, B. So divide, multiply, subtract, and then bring down. Or daddy, mommy, sister, brother, or baby. Okay? So start tayo sa division. So 21 divided by 4. So ilang 4 meron sa 21? So 5. So just skip count by 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, so 21 divided by 4 is 5. The next is multiply. Bababa naman. 5 times 4 is 20. And then si sister, subtract. 21 minus 20 is 1. Okay, so paano po natin to gagawing mixed number or mixed fraction? Okay, so yung ating quotient will be our whole number. Okay. So, 5. Okay. Then, yung ating remainder will be our numerator. And then, our divisor will be our denominator. Okay. So, this is our final answer. Okay, next. Let's move on to number 3. Problem number 3. So, fraction by a whole number. So, syempre, una natin gagawin is to change the whole number into fraction. So, copy lang natin ulit. So, 1/2 divided by, so 4 will become 4/1. Okay, laging ang denominator ng whole number ay equals to 1. Okay, then KCF method. So, keep the 1/2 change the operation, division to multiplication, and then flip. So, si 4 over 1 will become 1/4. Okay, then multiply. Ganun ulit, top to top, bottom to bottom. So, 1 times 1 is 1. And then 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Okay. So, no need na to simplify, no? Kasi naka-lowest term na siya. So, our final answer is 1/8. Okay, that's all. Let's move on to another set of equation or dividing fractions. Okay, next problem, number 4. So, fraction, okay, divided by a mixed number. Okay, so the first step that you're going to do is to change the mixed number into improper fraction. Okay, so paano po natin yan gagawin? What are the steps? The first thing that you're going to do is to multiply. Multiply the denominator by a whole number. So, 2 times 1 is 2. And then add. So, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Okay. Then copy the denominator. So, ibig sabihin, si 1 and 1/2 is also equals to 3 over 2. Okay? Next. So, dahil na-change na natin si mixed number into improper fraction, we're going to copy again the equation. So, magiging new equation natin will be 2/3 divided by 3 over 2. Okay? Kasi si 1 and 1/2 nga ay naging 3 over 2 na po. Okay? Then, apply the KCF method. So, keep 2/3 pa din, copy lang. Then, change the operation into multiplication. And then, flip. So, 3 over 2 will become 2/3. Okay? Then, multiply. So, top to top, bottom to bottom. 2 times 2 is 4. Then, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? So, may common denominator ba sila? Ang 4 over 9? So, wala na po. So, this will be our final answer. 4/9. Okay? Okay. Number 5 problem. So, mixed number by a fraction naman tayo. Okay? So, the same steps. So, change the mixed number into improper fraction. Okay, again. So, multiply and then add. Paakyat ulit. So, 4 times 2 is equals to 8. And then 8 plus 1 is 9. And then copy the denominator. Okay. So, 2 and 1/4 is also equals to 9 over 4. Okay? Then, copy the new equation. So, sa 2 and 1/4, naging 9 over 4 na. Okay? So, 9 over 4 divided by 3/5. Okay? Then, apply the KCF method. So, keep. And then, change the operation to multiplication. And then, flip. So, 5 over 3. Then, multiply again. Top to top. 9 times 5 is 45. And then, 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. So, improper fraction ulit yung ating sagot. So, we need to divide. Okay? So, 45 divided by 12. Okay? So, 45 divided by 12. So, ilan pong 12 meron sa 45? Okay? So, pag di-divide ulit, ganun po ulit, DMSY. B. So, divide, multiply, subtract, and then bring down. Okay? So, start tayo kay division. So, ilang 12 meron sa 45? So, we have 6. So, 12, 24, 36. Okay? So, 3 lang po. And then, multiply. Pababa ulit. So, 36. Then, subtract. Okay? So, 45 minus 36 is equals to 9. Okay. So, change this into mixed number. So, again, ito po ang magiging whole number natin. So, 3. Okay? Then, yung ating remainder will be 9. Okay. And then, yung divisor will be our denominator. Okay? So, si 9 and 12, pwede pa natin siyang isimplify. Right? Because both of them are divisible by 3. Okay? So, divide natin parehas kay 3. Okay? So, what will be our final answer? So, copy the whole number. And then, 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, our final answer is 3 and 3/4. Yan na po yung magiging ating final answer. Okay? Next. Let's move on to another equation. This time, same na, no? Dividing mixed number by mixed number. The same steps, change the mixed number into improper fraction. Okay. So, multiply again. So, 3 times 3 is 9. Then, 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay. Then, copy the denominator. So, si 3 and 2 over 3 or 3 and 2/3 will become 11 over 3. Okay? Next. Yung susunod na fraction naman, ang gagawin nating improper fraction, si 2 and 1/2. Same steps. Multiply. So, 2 times 2 is 4. Then, 4 plus 1 is 5. Then, copy the denominator. Okay? So, 2 and 1/2 will become 5 over 2. Or 5 halves. Okay? So, let's copy the new equation. So, mangyayari 11 over 3 divided by 5 over 2. Then, saka natin i-apply si KCF method. O, ganun po ulit. So, keep 11 over 3. Then, change. So, division, naging multiplication. Okay? Then, 5 over 2 will become 2/5. Okay? Then, multiply. Top to top, bottom to bottom. So, 11 times 2 is 22. And then, 3 times 5 is 15. So, improper fraction siya ulit. So, we need to divide na naman. Okay? So, 22 divided by 15. Okay? So, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Kung may i-bring down tayo. Okay, so 22 divided by 15. So, ilang 15 meron sa 22? Isa lang. Okay? Then, multiply, pababa. 1 times 15, syempre, 15 po. And then, subtract. Okay? So, 22 minus 15 is equals to 7. Okay? Then, pwede na po natin siyang gawing mixed number. Okay? So, yung ating quotient ay 1. So, 1 po ang magiging whole number po natin. Okay? And then, our remainder is 7. So, si 7 po ang magiging numerator. And then, our denominator is 15. Okay? So, our final answer is 1 and 7 over 15 or 7/15. Okay? So, I hope nakuha po natin yung pagdi-divide ng fractions. Okay, thank you. Happy learning!